Okay, welcome back to CareAbout Tutorials. Today we're going to be having a look at adding content to your homepage. So we can see it's item 3 on your list of things to do in setting up your website. And this particular one we've already done some work on. But basically when you start on this, these would be blank. And as you can see on the structure, we have the containers showing a top container, a content container, the main one, and a right container, which will be the options that you will get. So when we go in to have a look at the widgets which we're going to be adding in, widgets are effectively functionality that you choose to place in different containers or different places on your website. The options that you have are HTML content, which is about pictures and words, menu is about navigation, link listing, which is about links to other websites, embedded surveys, which enable you to put forms or surveys onto your website through our Vision product, and which enable you to take that information that is collected on your website and download it straight into an underlying marketing database should you wish to do so. The event widget is a list of events, which we will talk you through, but enables you to manage events effectively right the way across the site. And if you're looking to have private members areas where you can register for CareAbout straight from CareAbout, or you can have a login scenario. So it's a range of options for you. Let's just have a look at adding in HTML content. Now, what you can do here is you can add a name in for it. Choosing add to new pages. On the home page, you should tick this box. On subsequent pages, don't tick it, because if it's ticked on the home page and it's also ticked on subsequent pages, CareAbout will add to because you've asked it to. The order in which they appear, if you happen to choose to have more than one widget in a particular container, it's always a good idea to put an order number 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5, and it will just control the vertical order on your page in which those widgets appear. And in terms of our structure, the containers which we could potentially put things into, we have content, right and top. So we have a content container, which is the big one, a right-hand side container, and a container at the top. So pretty self-explanatory, really. You just need to put these widgets in how you think they're going to be. And typically what will happen is that you will indeed end up with a menu at the top, depending upon the structure that you've chosen, or a menu down the left-hand side, some HTML content, and something happening on the right. You may have little surveys in there, you can stack them, but I'd recommend that you start off with a simple structure. It will then add these to every page, which every time you add a page saves you having to do it. If you put too much in on the home page, you'll find yourself taking them back out again. So that's really the key information that you need to set up your homepage. It's one of these things that a bit of thought will save you time as you become more experienced at using the CareAbout products.